Hello, Excellence Realty. It's Danny Barnes, Director of Agent Relations. I'm here with Madeline King, Senior Loan Officer with Xcellence Mortgage. And we've got some exciting news today. We'll talk a little bit later about it, but on Work Chat, we just released a new Xcellence Mortgage flyer for a new down payment assistance program. And Madeline's going to be so gracious and go over some of the new aspects of that program and how it can help you with your clients. So at this time, thank you for joining us, Madeline, and I'll turn it over to you.
Awesome, terrific. Hello, everyone, and hi, Danny. It's great to be with you guys again on our Mortgage Mondays. We really enjoy this because we get an opportunity to explain to all of our Xcellence Realty partners the great things that we do here at Xcellence Mortgage. And one of the things that we're now rolling out, and we're very excited about it, is the down payment assistance program. Many people have heard about these programs before, but it's going to be something that we're rolling out now, and we're really excited about it.
Do you want me to show them the flyer right now real quick?
Yeah, that would be great.
So real quick, I'm just going to share my screen with you once again. These are posted in Workplace Xcellence Mortgage. You can go back and look at them. So here's the flyer for the new program. Can you still hear me, Madeline?
Absolutely. Yes.
Perfect.
Awesome. So let's go over some of the key points and basically what the down payment assistance program consists of. What it does is it provides a wide variety of eligible borrowers with down payment assistance in the form of a grant. Yes, that's grant. That means that you don't have to pay that back. And there can be in either up to 2% or even in 3.5% towards the purchase price in some cases. So it's really great because you have the ability to come in with as little as 1%, okay? And the rest of it will be a grant given to you. So this is obviously a great program. And many of the great features, I want to go over some of these with you now, is that it's almost impossible to not be eligible, okay? So what I mean by that is the eligibility is pretty simple. And what that consists of is any borrower on the loan application that is either current or retired volunteered person for either first responder, that means like a police officer, a firefighter, a public safety officer, a paramedic, anything like that, you're qualified to apply for the program. An educator, such as a teacher, you are eligible for the program. Medical personnel, doctors, nurses, you're eligible for the program. Civil servant, eligible for the program, and military personnel. If you don't fall into any of those categories, you also qualify or eligible to apply if you're a first-time home buyer. A first-time home buyer is anyone who is going to be living in the property, who hasn't owned a primary residence in the past 3 years. Okay, so just by that alone, if even any of those criteria is not something you fall into, you can still be eligible to apply for the program as long as your income is not more than 140% of the state or median income, regardless of the family size. So there's really almost no way that you won't be eligible for the program.
Wow.
So that's just a plus to get going on that. Okay. Aside from that, the credit score requirements are as low as 620. So you don't have to have a 700 and above score like some of these other programs. This is a median score that's required, 620. So it opens the doors for a lot of potential buyers. You do have to have meet the eligibility requirement with the automatic underwriting system. With a 620, that's usually never an issue. Okay. And another great feature of this is your seller can still contribute up to 6% of the purchase price, and all of that can be go towards the buyer's closing cost. With that said in mind, there's There's also the eligibility property types. So again, it is not limited to just a single family. It can apply for manufactured homes, FHA-approved condos, and PUDs. So it's open to a wide variety of financing property types. These are FHA programs. So we know that as long as you receive an automated underwriter approval, you're going to be okay to qualify for the program.
And I might have missed it, but how much down for the FHA? And usually 3.5%?
Correct. It's usually a 3.5%, but with these programs, you can come in with as little as 1% if you do the 2.5 to 2% financing. So, and that's given to you in the form of a grant. You never have to pay that back. And you don't have to worry about if you sell, in a certain amount of time where you have to pay it back, or if you refinance. There is no restrictions on the borrowers for this program. So you don't have to worry about, well, if I buy and then I decide to sell, am I going to have to pay that grant back? No, the answer is no, you do not. So having said that, it's just a great program all around. There's many borrowers who are qualified, who are eligible to apply, and there's no restrictions on the property other than the ones that I mentioned. And the score allows you to go as low as 620. So it's a pretty attractive program.
Yeah, it looks like an amazing program.
It is. We're excited about it. We've got a couple in the pipeline already, so
good.
We're looking forward to it.
So real quick, it's real easy to get a hold of Xcellence Mortgage. And right here's, if you follow my cursor, here's the number, 866-546-6781. And you can also, on the website, you can email in on the Xcellence Mortgage website. And is there any other way that might be easier to get to y'all besides the 1-800 number or the 866 number?
You can always reach us right there directly through that. So, and of course you have Maite's email and mine as well, which is mking@excellencemortgage.com.
Gotcha.
So that's about it in a nutshell. I mean, we're always willing to answer any questions that our agent partners might have. You feel free to email Maite or I, and we'll go over it with you just to make sure that you've got a good understanding, and we'll answer any questions.
Right, and you guys are available on weekends too. So I mean, almost 24/7.
Almost, yes.
Our agents can get a hold of everybody. So
absolutely.
I actually, for the first time, I don't work with too many buyers, but a couple months ago, one of my buyers was going through a local lender and asked me if I knew anybody else. I'm like, give Xcellence Mortgage a shot. And he had the best experience. I mean, very prompt. And then I was dealing with Mercedes at the time, and she was always, Danny, can you send this for me? Can you get your buyer to send me this? And, it was just when I was learning about the new mobile app. So now it's a lot easier, but it was a great experience, and they beat the other lender's rate, and even found him better homeowners insurance at a better rate. So thank you for that. But I can contest Xcellence Mortgage does an incredible job. So
thank you, Danny. That's nice to hear. We do our best, and we make sure that our customer feels, that he's with us, that we're with him, holding their hands right through processing and even post-closing. We don't forget about them after that either.
Right. He's very grateful to this day. So anything else we can add before we wrap it up? Or
just wishing everybody a great Thanksgiving holiday. We will be here to answer any questions Wednesday and Friday. So just have a safe holiday, and don't forget, we're here for you.
All right. I wish everybody a happy holiday too. And as always, together moving forward. And once again, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule.